Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kapil Home Workouts. This is Tuesday morning. I have completed my run, and now we will be doing some strength workout for our lower body, strength and core workout. It will be very short workout, 10 to 12 minutes. What we will train our glutes as we as while when we run, we train our quads. Our quads are already cooked, so our aim is to target our glutes. So I will be doing 3-4 exercises and will repeat 2 times uh, for lower body. So my first exercise is split squats, and I will be putting my reverse leg on these plates. So I am using single dumbbell for my split squats. So this is it. Six reps. These are some more slippery. You can do more reps. Six reps. Now, now we will do RDLs on single leg. RDLs are reverse deadlifts. So first I am doing on my left leg. If you want, you may not be using dumbbell at all. Six reps. Now I will be doing RDLs on right leg. Your focus should be on your hamstring and quads. Six reps. Now third exercise is plank pass through. So we will be using dumbbell to pass through. This is our high plank position. Reps. Now, fourth exercise is glute bridges, and I will putting a dumbbell on my hips. So, your aim is here to push through your heels and not let roll your dumbbell down. So, glute bridges, guys. So this is it. This is round 1. We will do one more round. This time I will be using 2 dumbbells for sprint squats and RDLs. So we are doing same exercises with more weight and more balance. I am not using these plates for uplifting my legs. So first I am doing on right leg. 6 reps, guys. You should have good mind and body connection. Brace your core and concentrate on your glutes and hamstring. Six reps. Six reps. Now we do RDLs. This time on both legs. Ten reps. Now I am putting one dumbbell away as we will be doing planks pass through. So 10 reps. Now we do glute bridges in 10 reps. Tenderness. Now we will be doing some core exercises. So in our core exercise, the first exercise will be bird dog, but in this we will be uplifting our knees. So there will be more stress on our core. So we will be in bear position. Then we uplift our a hand and a leg of opposite direction. So in normal bird dogs we do like this. Now we will be doing this. It was not that perfect, guys. It's okay. This is our finisher. So we will be doing only single set. So now we do dead backs. And last exercise of our this workout is crunches. So So this is it, guys. It is a small workout. You should be focusing on your form and this small workout after running add great values to our overall fitness. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being there. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment as well. Thank you.